Hello, welcome to iMobie support channel. Here, we'll show you how to configure settings before using Vozard. Part 1. Audio settings. Launch Vozard on your Windows or Mac computer and choose the settings option. Then, click the drop-down button under Choose Your Microphone option to choose your output device. After that, click the drop-down button under Choose Your Speaker option to choose your input device. In this audio settings menu, you also can adjust the microphone volume, adjust the speaker volume, check the virtual installation status, enable or disable the noise reduction enhancement option, enable or disable the background loop option. Part 2. General settings. Choose General settings. In this setting menu, you can enable or disable the launch at startup option. Start minimized in the system tray. Change the output format of voice files. We support WAV, MP3, AAC, FLAC, M4A formats at present. And you also can modify the storage location for voice files. Enable or disable the keybinds for the voice changer. Part 3. Complete the settings on the third-party platforms. Choose the user guide option. Here you can see the platforms supported by Vozard. Click the drop-down button and you will see all supported platforms, including Discord, Fortnite, Roblox, etc. Please click the corresponding platform button and according to the instructions on the screen to set up platform for Vozard. Part 4. Parameter adjusting. Select the real-time voice changer mode. Pick up your preferred sound effect and customize it based on your needs. You can adjust this sound effect parameter, including dry, yaw, reverberation, pitch shift, throat width, pith length, etc. After setting up, you can click Save to Mind to save the parameter settings, or click Reset to reset them.
Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.